There are few things a programmer should note before recording a macro in SolidWorks or even when writing an application in Visual Basic.NET or C#.NET that connects to the SolidWorks software. Let me show you. First, once you launch SolidWorks, you will open a new document. You will take a part or even assembly template, and then you land here on this blank page to document page. Here you will see I do have this menu. This is the macro menu. Okay. If you don't have access to this menu, then you need to right click somewhere here, then go to toolbars and then activate this macro toolbar. And once you toolbar, you can see these many options: run macro, stop macro, record or even pause. You can create a new macro. You can even edit a macro. I will go to new macro and I will locate the directory and I will save it with a name. You could see that all the macro files which are stored are having the extension .swp. This is the extension constant across all the macros, and all these macros are actually VBA macros. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. All the macros are developed using or the script language that is used in these macros is Visual Basic for Applications. This is all about the macro. We'll learn more about the macro in coming time.